Today, when I tried to install the uTorrent Classic, I got this error occurred while installing uTorrent Classic. To fix this problem, go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on Open it, select the virus and threat protection, and select this protection history. Potentially unwanted app removed, select the option, and this file creates when you install the uTorrent Classic. I'm gonna show you guys. Just copy this file path and I'm gonna paste it in ChatGPT and asking, is this uTorrent creates when installation? Yes, this is normal. uTorrent does create this folder during installation. So it's not a virus, guys. So you can go back and you will get an option action. Select the action option and select allow on this device. And after allowing this, so just close stuff here and go to downloads and then install the uTorrent. You can able to install without having any problem. And that's how I fixed this problem. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.